Hello, how are you doing?
What are you doing?
Walking around. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Big giant doors. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is kind of an unusual spot, and there's a little temple just down on the other side of these trees, and then if you keep going that way, you're at the border. But this is kind of an interesting building. I'm not going to explore it too much today, but there's like dog races kind of not too far from over here. Actually, this might be it right here. That could be it. But anyways, I have filmed in this area before, but I haven't filmed this particular building. So we're just gonna have kind of a short one, and I'll try to see if I can mark it on the map of the name of this one. And basically it's kind of on this street. And I don't really want to film in this particular street, so it's a lot of traffic and a lot of noise. But it's kind of an interesting street in its own way. So okay, let's close it right there. I did want to know, see this mountainside right there? So there was another time that I was down that way and I could see it, some people that were up here. One of my friends says this is thinks it's connected to a cemetery. I have to explore. Sometime I'll come over here and I'll try to explore and see if I can get up on top of that mountain and kind of get a feel for that. But today's not the day for it. But yeah, we'll definitely come back. So if you're interested in this area, just maybe send some comments below and just let me know what you know about it, or if you don't know anything about it and you want to know more, and just, you know, like, okay, just say like, okay, you know, I'm looking forward to when you explore behind that temple and up in that mountain, and then I'll do a whole video and I'll do that. So just let me know if you're interested. And before I leave this area, this says Casa Funeral Kyungwoo. Kyungwoo is the hospital, but funeral house. So this is a whole large funeral home, this whole thing right here. And then you have this place right here, and there's a temple down there, and then there's a mountain. So I don't know, if you're interested in this area, just let me know, and I'll definitely come by and I'll try to get behind it and see what's around. But I need to see if you're interested or not, so make some comments below if you are. Before I leave this area, we're also kind of near the dog market. Oh, sorry, not the dog market, the dog races track. And this dog right here is a Greyhound dog, so I think they must have, I heard that they're adopting them. So I think this is one that was adopted, so they, all these racing dogs don't have a home, right? So, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And we can include it with this one right here. Then we also kind of have that. So I heard that a lot of people are adopting them, but now we can see that that's actually the case. So I was actually glad to be able to capture something like that. But we're gonna set the focus of this one. This is kind of the focus of this one. So we're just gonna end with this little guy right here. Zinc. And this is this one right here. And this is that hill that I can definitely explore. Let me know if you're interested. Hello, how are you doing?
What are you doing?
Walking around. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Big giant doors. So, okay. So we're just gonna walk down, and I guess this video is gonna be a little bit longer than I thought, which is fine. And here's the funeral home, so we kind of have a couple of different things, right? A temple, a mountaintop, a funeral home, and a Greyhound dogs. So who knew it was gonna turn into that kind of video, but it did, so. And we'll end it right there. Actually, this one I thought was a dog racing, and I think it still is. Yeah, that's a dog racing. So this is. So it looks like now the dog racing is now a racetrack where people can run, and I heard they're going to convert it into loud traffic. They're going to convert it into like schools and some different usage, and then the dogs end up they're being adopted out, so being given out or whatever, or euthanized, I guess is the word. So okay. Oh, okay, now it's also a sporting thing. Maybe it must be all be connected. This must be part of it is sporting, and then the other part is the dog races. But anyways, I could definitely see that was the dog races in there, so it's part of that whole big complex. All right, and one time I filmed around here, and we're back in this area again, and we're gonna end it. And there's some ping pong as well. I guess we'll end it with ping pong. Okay. Okay, we're gonna end this video right here, but this is that mountaintop, so we were just by that temple. And then this is that top that I see people go up to sometimes, and I see them right up there. So I don't know, looks pretty interesting. And I don't know if you remember me filming in this area too, where we had the four corners. I'm at that spot again today. So, all right, let's end it right there. So yeah, there's that mountaintop, pretty cool.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.